Hi friends, welcome to Python Learnings. Today we are going to learn regarding modules and packages. What is a module? A module is a single Python file that can be imported and used in other Python files. It typically contains functions, variables, and classes, and it can also include runnable code. Modules help us organize our code into manageable sections. Creating a module. To create a module, simply save our code with .py extension. So I'm using here basic program.py. This is called a module. Anything with .py extension is called a module. Let's take example. I'm writing function inside a module. Function name is greeting. Passing name. And returning. I'm using format strings or F strings here. Hi, comma, name. So using a module. This is how we have created how to use a module. To use the code in basic program.py, we need to import it into another .py file. So I am creating here another Python file that is main.py. And importing this basic program. In main.py, I am writing import. I want to import basic program as B. I'm writing B here because wherever I want to use basic program, I can simply use B instead of basic program. That's why I'm writing B. Now I'm writing print statement. So here I'm using B instead of basic program. I'm passing name as Roger. Let's run here. See here. I'm passing Roger name to this function greeting name, which is in basic program. So Roger will be passed to the name over here. So it will return, hi, Roger. So this is what we are seeing as an output over here. Hi, Roger. This is how we will create and use a module. We can also import specific functions or classes or variables from a module. Let's see with an example. I'm adding one more function in basic program.py module and naming this as brand. So here car brand is so another function I have written. So we can import specific functions. So here I'm using from basic program module. I want to import specific function that is brand. There are two functions in basic program.py module. I'm importing only specific function. I want only brand. So I'm importing that specific function. So we have to import like this from that module name, import, followed with that function name. And then here, printing brand, and I'm passing brand name as something XYZ. You can pass anything, car brand name based on the requirement. I'm passing here XYZ. Let's run this. See here, we are getting output as car brand is XYZ. So it goes to brand function, XYZ is passed here, and car brand is XYZ is the output. This is all about modules. Let's talk about packages. What is a package? A package is a way of structuring Python's modules. A package is essentially a directory that contains a special file and can contain multiple modules and sub-packages inside it. So how to create a package? Let's create a package named new Python package. So I'm giving us the package name as package only. Click on enter. I got package created. Automatically we can see init.py, which can be an empty file or contains initialization code for the package. We can create modules inside this package. Now I will create first one is program1.py inside this package. And one more is program2.py, second module. I'm creating two modules inside this package, named package only. I have given here. Let's go to first module, program1.py. I'm writing a function with function name add and passing two things, A and B, and then returning A plus B. In program2.py module, I'm writing multiplication definition, that is function, multiplication function, and returning A into B. In main.py, let's comment this. From, this is the package name. So I have given package, import first module and second module. And then taking a variable program1 module dot add function. I'm passing 4 and 5. Similarly for multiplication also. Variable name should be changed. And this also needs to be given appropriately. And then print those variables. Let's try to run this. See here, for adding 4 plus 5 is 9. 5 fours 20. We have imported two modules. So whatever is present in that module, these values are passing over to those and then returning those appropriate output. That is 9 and 20. Importing specific functions from a package. We can import specific functions from modules within the package. So how we can write is, let's copy and comment. I'm writing one here and specifically importing whatever required, those functions or classes or variables, we can import. This is how we will import specific functions, classes, or variables. So I have given 2 add and multiplication from a package needs to be imported. And no needs to again write the module names here because we have already imported here. So no need to specifically mention again in the program separately. Let's change those values. And let's run this. See here. 2 plus 4 is 6. 2 into 4 is 8. So this is how we will specifically import functions from a package. This is all about modules and packages. See you all in next videos. Hope you all liked it. Thank you. Bye.